Hello friend. So now we will see this question. NP of an inelastic thread 160 mm long is stretched to the circumference of circular disc. So basically this question is of involute. A thread is wounded on circular disc and then it is unwounded, keeping the thread always tight. It means that this curve is of involute of circle. Involute of circle. Here the total length 160 mm given and diameter of circular disc is 50 mm is given. So we will draw a circle of 50 mm diameter. Then divide this circle into 12 equal parts. So for that, first draw vertical diameter, horizontal diameter. Then from these points draw arc on circumference with radius as radius of circle. From each point draw arc on both sides of circle. So finally we will get 12 points, 12 parts of circle. Now connect these points diametrically opposite point. So draw these lines and then draw horizontal line passing through base point. So this is a base point. Draw horizontal line of length equal to the length of thread, that is 160 mm. So take 160 mm on this line. So this is a 160. Now below this line, as the circumference of circle is equal to pi into d. So length of thread is 160 mm and circumference of circle is 157 mm. So draw a length of thread here, then draw a faint line and from this point, and from this point draw parallel line to this line of length equal to circumference of circle. Then as we have divided the circle into 12 equal parts, so divide this line, that is circumference of circle, that is second line, into 12 equal parts by inclined line method. So these are the 12 parts of length pi into d. These are the 12 parts, equal parts of 157 mm. Then from this point draw vertical line on upper line. So these are the projections of these parts or points onto the length of thread. As length of thread is 3 mm greater than circumference of circle, so it means that thread will cover all circle and somewhat extra, that is 3 mm. Now mark the point on circle. This is first point. And this point is first point. So these are the projection of points. So up to 12 point, this is 157. Then again at 3 mm distance from this point there is a point P. So this is the initial point of involute. Okay, now we will draw tangent to all points of circle. Tangent, so for tangent we will take the 90 degree to this diameter, so we will take 90 degree to diameter 17. So we will draw tangent to each point from 1 to 12. So these are the tangent to each points. Okay, now take distance 1 dash to P and take distance 1 dash to P. So this distance is 14.3 and from tangent 1 mark this distance 14.3. Then take distance 2 dash to P. This distance is 13.2. From point 2 mark this distance. Similarly do this for each point. 3 dash to P, this distance is 11.9. So from 3 point take 11.9 on the tangent. So similarly mark this distance. The distance which can be taken with the help of compass, take this in the compass. So this distance is for 11. Then from 12 and also P there is a distance of 3 mm. Okay, so take 3 mm with the help of scale or compass on this line, so the involute will end at this point. Okay, now with the with free hand draw this involute curve, because with the help of French curve this curve is not drawn properly. Only conic curves are drawn properly with the help of French curve. So this is how our involute will look like. So this is our involute. mark this point P1, P2 up to 12, then draw dimension. So this is our final answer after drawing it by freehand. Thank you.